Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Good morning, my Dhamma friends. Today our 10th day. So lesson number 10. Have you finished your homework? All right. Okay, let's go to today's lesson. Let's go to page number 59. Page number 59. Right here, number 20. Declension of nouns ending with u, 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 feminine. Capital A, bold. Remove the ending vowels u from the nominative case singular nouns to make noun base. Here we take pit, kasu as our example noun, and we remove last u vowel, then kas, noun base, and this is case ending. And we have, and here b, capital B, then add suitable endings from the table below. In here table, here for nominative case singular we have case ending u, u, and then for plural u and uyo, u and uyo, and for accusative case singular ung, ung, and for plural u and uyo, u and uyo. And instrumental and ablative cases singular uya, uya. For plural uhi, ubi, uhi and ubi. Then genitive case and dative case singular uya, uya, and plural unang, unang. And locative case singular uya and uyang, again uya and uyang, plural usu, usu. Right, let's go to some in here we have some group nouns feminine. Let's read with me. Dhatu, dhatu, elements. Denu, denu, cow. Daddu, daddu, eczema. Kandu, kandu, ichi. Kachu, kachu, also ichi. Raju, raju, rope. Sassu, sassu, mother-in-law. Viju, viju, light or current. Before we go to read examples sentence, let's go to the exercise table, page number 60 here. Right, for nominative and vocative case, here we have noun base kasa and case ending u, and we make noun kasu. Kasu meaning is the pit and or pit. Plural noun base kas, and we have two case ending. First one u, and noun is kasu, and second case ending uyo, then noun is kasio. So kasu and kasio, the pits or pits. Then accusative case, noun base and case ending and the noun is kasung, kasung. A pit, a pit. Then plural, kas, noun to noun base, noun in case ending. First one, u, then noun is kasu. And second case ending, uyo, then noun is kasuyo. So kasu and kasuyo, pits. Then instrumental case and ablative case. Here noun base and we add case ending uya. Then the noun is kasuya, kasuya meaning by the pit, with the pit, or from the pit. Then plural, noun base, and we have two case ending. First one uhi, and noun is kasuhi. Then now second case ending ubi, then the noun is kasubi. So kasuhi and kasubi means by the pits, with pits. Here a is spelling mistake, from the pits, right? And then dative and genitive case, again noun base, and we have case ending uya. Then noun is kasuya, meaning is to the pit, for the pit, of the pit, the pits. And plural, noun base, and we add case ending unang. Then noun is kasunang, kasunang. Then the meaning is to the pits, for the pits, of the pits. Then last one, locative case. Here we have noun base and two case ending. First one uya, then noun is kasuya, kasuya. Then second case ending uyang, uyang. Then noun is kasuyang, kasuyang. So kasuya and kasuyang meaning on the pit or in the pit, right? Then plural, noun base, and we add case ending usu. Then we make noun kasusu, kasusu meaning on the pits or in the pits, right? Let's go to example sentences. Page number 59, example sentences. First one, Patavi dhatu, Apo dhatu, Tejo dhatu, Vayo dhatu. In here there's a printing mistake. Here must be D, not B. Vayo dhatu iti chatasso dhatuyo sangvijjanti. There are four elements, thus are called earth elements, water elements, fire elements, and air elements. Patavi dhatu, Patavi dhatu means earth elements. Apo dhatu, Apo dhatu means water elements. Tejo dhatu, Tejo dhatu means fire elements. Vayo dhatu, Vayo dhatu means air elements. And here iti, iti means thus or called. Here chatasso dhatuyo, chatasso dhatu means four elements. Chatasso, four, dhatuyo, elements. Sangvijjanti, there are. Sangvijjanti, there are. Second sentence. Denuyo ataviyang kasusu patitva maringsu. Here denuyo, the cows. The cows were dead after falling into the pits in the forest. So denuyo, the cows, the subject, nominative case, plural. Maringsu, maringsu, verb, worded, past tense verb, plural. Why? And patitva, after falling, patitva, after falling. This is a Ubba Kiriya Padang in Pali. Where kasusu, into the pits, So this is a place. So kasusu. So in kasusu, in locative case, plural. Where ataviyang, in the forest, ataviyang, again ataviyang, in the forest is in locative case, right? Then third one, sassu rajya denung bandi. The mother-in-law bound the cow with a rope. So sassu, the mother, mother-in-law, nominative case, singular. Subject in this sentence, bandi, verb, bound, bandi, past tense, singular verb. Direct object is denu, the cow, direct object. In accusative case, with the help of what? With the rope. So rajya, with the rope. So rajya in instrumental case. And then number 4, vejjo sassuya dadung upasameti. The doctor heals the eczema of mother-in-law or mother-in-law's eczema. Vejjo means the doctor. Vejjo, the doctor. It's the subject in nominative case. What he did is, what he doing? Upasameti. Heals. Verb, heals. What? Dadung.
Eczema.
The eczema. Dadung. Who's dadung? Who's eczema? Sassuya, of mother-in-law or mother-in-law's eczema. So mother-in-law, sassuya, in a genitive case, and dadung, eczema, in accusative case, because it's a direct object, right? Let's go to page number 61, and here we have declension of mata, mother, and dita, daughter, right? For this declension, here the case ending here, nominative vocative case, ma, mata, and for plural, ro, mataro. And accusative case in arang, so matarang, and plural, are and ro, so matare and mataro. Instrumental and ablative case, are uya, so matare and matuya. And for plural, uhi, ubi, arehi, arebi. So matuhi, matubi, matarehi, matarebi. And then dative and genitive case, u and uya. So matu, matuya. Then plural, aranang, anang, unang. So Mātāranang, Mātānang, Mātūnang. And for locative, Ari and Uya. So Mātari, Mātuya, plural. Aresu and Usu. So Mātaresu and Mātusu. And for Dita, here we must remove last A vowel and then add this case ending. And here we have one example sentence. Mai hang mata pato yagung pachitwa sasya ditaranang dadissati. So here mai hang mean my, mata mother, pato in the morning, yagung the girl, pachitwa a pubbakiriya padang in Pali, pachitwa having cooked, sasuya mean the mother-in-laws, to the mother-in-laws. Ditaranang mean daughters. Dadissati will give, verb, future tense. So dadissati will give. Who going to give this? Mata, my young Mata. So Mata, mother, is the subject in this sentence, nominative case. Whose mother? My mother. So my young in genitive case. What's she going to do? She going to dadissati, will give, to give something. What's she going to give? Yagung, the girl, to a girl. So yagung in accusative case. To whom? Ditaranang, daughters, Ditaranang. So Ditaranang in dative case, accepted dative case. Whose Ditaranang? Whose daughters? Sasya, mother-in-law. So Sasya in genitive case. And this time is pato, time in the morning, and this yagu pachitwa, after cooking or having cooked. So the my hang mata pato yagung pachitwa sasya ditaranang dadissati. Having cooked the girl in the morning, my mother will give to the mother-in-law's daughter. Right. Okay, now we have another topic here, number 21. It's called the to infinitive, right? Let's read. In the following way, we can express what we like to do, hope to do, or wish to do, using to infinitive. To make to infinitive. Before make to infinitives, I will show here in page number 22. There are some example. Cooks mean pachati. Cooks, or is cooking pachati, and then it's two infinitives to cook. Pachitwa or pachitum, pachitave, pachitum, to cook. You know, goes is going, gachati is going or goes, and the two infinitives to go, and kadati eats, or kaditum to eats. These are the two infinitive: to cook, to go, to eat, to see. Right. let's go upside. Then these are the two infinitives. We use two infinitives uh, to express what we like to do, or what we hope to do, or what we wish to do. Right. Here's the way how to make two infinitives. This is the rule. Right here. First, remove the last part from the third person singular verbs as follows way. Right, here is the way. A type verbs here, ati, ati, from the verbs like sayati, sayati. This verb is sleeping. Last part is in this verb is ati, so ati. We have to remove this ati. Or when we have B type verbs, long a and ti, ati, from the verbs like sunati, sunati. In here, long a and ti, ati. And for C type verbs, ti, ti, from the verbs like deseti, deseti, and karoti. And here these deseti verbs end in eti, and these karoti verbs end with oti. So in this type verbs, we just remove only ti, t, right here. Then add ending, and then add endings itung, itu, with dot downside, itung, or itawe, or ataye, ataye, taye, a t long a y e, taye, taye. Two a and b verbs. For a type and b verbs, you can add itung or itawe or itaye, one of these three. And then here, and for tung, tum, with dot marking downside, tung, two C verbs. Here C types of verb that ending with et and oti. Tung. Then here example. Listens, sunati, sunati. So ended with this verb ended with rti, long ati, ati. Then we remove this and we make noun verbal base sun, and this is the removed part rti, and we can add verbal base plus itung, itung. So sunitung, sunitung. Or we can add itawe to verbal base, or sunitawe, sunitawe. Or we can add ataye, ataye for verbal base, so sunataye, sunataye. So sunitung or sunitawe or sunataye meaning is to listen, to listen. And here again in this preach is deseti, delivering, or deseti. And here these verbs end with eti in the dative, so it's a C type verb, eti. So we just remove ti only. Or deseti, we remove only ti. Then we add this tung. So tung. So here the verbs desetung, desetung, to preach, to preach. These are the infinitives, two infinitives. And let's go down. And here we have examples verbs. Cooks or is cooking, pachati, and to infinitives pachitung or pachitawe, pachitung, pachitawe, to cook. And then goes or is going gachati, gachati, and to infinitive is gachitung, Gachitum or gachitaye, gachitaye, to go. Then eats or is eating, kadati, kadati, and to infinitive is kaditum, kaditum, to eat, to eat. And last one, sees or is seen, dakkati, dakkati, and to infinitive is dakkitaye, dakkitaye, to see, right? And here it say the object of the to infinitive is placed in accusative case, right? Okay, we can understand this rule after reading these example sentences. Okay, let's go to these example sentences. We have 4 example sentences. First one, daso aharang aharitung gehang gachi or agachi, right? The servant went to the home or house to bring food. Here daso, daso, the servant, the action, servant. No, sorry. Daso, the servant, is the subject in nominative case, and his action is gachi or agachi, went, past tense, went. You know, we have 2 past tense verbs, gachi and agachi. Went to where? He went to where? To the home, to the home. Gehang. So we place this gehang in accusative case. We already learned in Pali, when we go to some place or to someone, we place that place or that person or thing in accusative case. Here we go to this home, so we place this home in gehang in accusative case. Accusative case, right? And for what his reason, what he hoped to do after going home? His reason, aharang aharitum, to bring food, to bring food. Aharitum, infinitive, to bring, what he going to bring? Food, food. Aharang. So in here says, in this here, the object of the to infinitive is placed in accusative case. So here, to bring food, to bring mean to infinitive, and its object is food. So in here we have to place it in accusative case, food. So here, that's why here aharang, aharang in accusative case, the object of the to infinitive, to bring, aharang, right? Second one, Kumaryo kilitung uyanang gachingsu agachingsu gachung agachung. The young girls went to the park to play. Right. Here went, gachingsu. Kumaryo, the young girls. Subject, plural, so nominative case, plural. Kumaryo gachingsu, went. We know in for plural there are 4 past tense verbs: gachingsu, agachingsu, gachung, agachung. Where they went? They went to the park. Uyanang, park, a place. So we place in accusative case. Uyanang, park. Why they went there? To play. Kilitung. Here to infinitive. Kilitung. Right. Number 3. Vanara ambe kaditung ichanti. The monkeys likes to eat mango. The monkey likes to eat mango. Ambe mean mangoes. Vanara, the monkeys. Subject in this verb, nominative case, plural. Ichanti. Ichanti verb, like. What they like. Kaditung, to eat. Infinitive, to eat. Oh, to what? To eat what? Mangoes. Ambe. So this mango ambe is the object of this to eat infinitive. So it is in accusative case, plural. Ambe. Right. Number 4. Panyavanto, the wise. Upasako dhammang sunitung sahati. The wise lay devotee tries to listen to the Dhamm. Panyavanto, the wise. Upasako, the lay devotee. Dhammang, to the Dhamma. Sunitung, to listen. Sahati, tries. So this lay devotee's action is usahati, verb. Usahati, tries. What for? He tries to listen to the Dhamma. To listen. Sunitung, to listen. That's the to infinitive. To listen what? To the Dhamm. Dhamma. So this Dhamma in according to this rule we placed in accusative case because it's the object of this to listen. Sunitung, to listen, to infinitive. Right. Okay. Now we have number 22. Lesson number 22. A. Capital A. Declension of nouns ending with am dot with downside. So we call ang. Neuter ang. Remove the ending vowel ang from the nominative case, singular noun, to make noun base. Here we take sin, pa pang as example noun. So we remove ang last part, so pa noun base, and here is case ending. Then capital B. Then add suitable endings from the table given below. This is the table for case endings for group ang, nouns neuter. Right. For nominative case, singular ang, case ending is ang, and for plural a and ani, a and ani. And for accusative case, for singular case ending ang, and plural case ending is a and ani, a and ani. And for locative case ending is a and ang, and for plural a and ani, and here say all other cases are similar to group O nouns masculine. All other cases are similar to group O nouns masculine. These three cases only different from O nouns masculine. Okay, let's go down, and here page number 63, we have some nouns, group A ang, neuter nouns. Okay, let's read with me. Punyang, merit. Pa pang, sin. palang, fruit or result. Rupang, image, matter. Sotang, ear. Ganang, nose. Sukhang, happiness. Dukhang, sadness. Karanang, cause. Danang, alms or charity or giving something free. Danang. Silang, virtue. Danang, wealth. Janang, high states of concentrated mind. Then Lochanang, eye. Moolang, price or money. Kulang, bank or the river bank. Balang, strength. Mangalang, auspicious time. Mangalang. Nalinang, water. Lingang, gentle. Mukhang, face or mouth. Right. Now, second column. First one. Angang, part. Jalang, water. Ambujang, lotus or lotus flower. Pulinang, sand. Danyang, grain. Hiranyang, gold. Padang, word or nirvan. Amatang, nirvan. Padumang, flower. Pannang, leaf or letter. Susanang, cemetery. Wanang, jungle. Ayudang, weapon. Hadayang, heart. Chivarang, rob. Wattang, cloth. Kulang, caste. Indriyang, sense or faculty. Nayanang, eye. Vadanang, face. Yanang, vehicle. Udanang, lyrical saying. Jalang, net. Right. Last column. First one. Sopanang, staircase or ladder. Panang, drink. Bhavanang, Bhavanang, palace. Bhuvanang, Bhuvanang, world. Lohang, Lohang, metal. Alatang, Alatang, torch or torch stick. Tundang, Tundang, big. Andang, Andang, egg. Pitang, Pitang, chair. Karanang, Karanang, doing. Maranang, Maranang, death. Jnanang, Jnanang, wisdom. Arammanang, Arammanang, sense object. Aranyang, 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 jungle. Tanang, Tanang, nirvana. Nagarang, Nagarang, city. Chattang, Chattang, umbrella. Chiddang, Chiddang, hole. Udakang, Udakang, water. Tagarang, a Tagarang, Tagarang, one kind of fragrance, okay. So now you have to decline some of these nouns by using this masculine gender or group nouns exercise box. And for this nominative, accusative and vocative, these three cases, just use this case ending, and those all case ending similar to masculine gender or nouns or group nouns. So please do this exercise later. And now we can go to example sentences. We have here yeah, 4 example sentences. Okay, let's read it. Let's read them here. First one, number 1, Papimanto Batunang Danang Datung Na Ichanti. Wicked persons don't like to give wealth to the brothers. Right here, Papimanto, wicked persons. Papimanto is the subject. This sentence in nominative case, plural. Papimanto, wicked persons. This action is Ichanti, like. But here there's no any, so na Ichanti, don't like. It's the verb. To what? He don't like, they don't like. To give. To, this is infinitive. To give, they don't like to give. Datung. What? To give what? Wealth. Danang. So danang or wealth is the object of these two infinitive. So we placed in danang in accusative case. To whom? To brothers. So batunang, the acceptor. Batunang, to the brother. So we placed in dative case. Yeah, batunang, dative case. Right. And second one, Danang dattva Silang rakkitva Dhammang sunitva Sagge Nibbatitung Sakkoti. Here we have two here. Having given alms, having protected virtue, Having listened to the Dhamma, it can or it is able to born in the heaven. Or here another translation here. Alms given, virtue protection, and Dhamma listening is the way to the heaven. Or we can say is the way to the born in heaven. Right here. Right. Danang datum. Danang datva. They datva is a Pubba Kiriya Padam in Pali language. Danang datva. Having given alms. Alms. Danang datva. Having given alms. Then Silang Rakitva. Rakitva means having protected. Having protected. Rakitva. What? Silang. Virtue. Silang Rakitva. Having protected virtue. Dhammang Sunitva. Having listened to the Dhamma. Sunitva means having listened. To what? To Dhamma. To the Dhamma. Then Sagge in the heaven. Place. The place. Sagge in the heaven. So Sagge in locative case. Singular. Sagge. Nibbatitum. To born. To born. Nibbatitum. As the infinitive. To born. Nibbatitum. Sakkoti. Sakkoti verb. It can or it is able. So alms given, virtue protection, and Dhamma listening is the way to the heaven, or is the way to born in the heaven. Dhammam Tattva Silang Rakitva. Danang Dattva Silang Rakitva Dhammang Sunitva Sagge Nibbatitum Sakkoti. Right. Number 3. Naryo Alatang Aharitva Batntang Pachitung Agging Jalayinsu. Having brought a torch stick, the women lit the fire to cook rice. Here, Naryo, the women's, the subject in the sentence, plural. So in nominative case plural, Naryo, the women's. The action was Jalingsu. Jalingsu. Lit. Women's lit. Jalingsu. It's a past tense plural. Jalingsu. What? The fire. The fire. Agging. The fire. So agging the fire. Agging the fire is in accusative case here. Agging. For what? To cook. To cook. Pachitung. To cook is infinitive. Pachitu. Pachitung. What? To cook what? Rice. Battang. Rice. Battang. So battang in accusative case. So because it's the object of this pachitung. To cook. Infinitive. The object of the infinitive. Battang. Rice. And also and here having brought aharitva. What? A torch stick. Alatham. They lit fire after having brought, after bring a torch stick. So here you say aharitva. It's a pubbakiriya pada. Having brought or after bringing. Alatham. A torch stick. Torch stick. Right. Number 4. Kumari Nagara Nikkamma Udakang Patung Pokkaraniya Kulang Gachi. Having left the city, the little girl went to the lake bank or bank of lake to drink water. Right here, Kumari. Kumari, the little girl, is the subject in nominative case, singular. Kumari. Nagarang Nikkamma. Nagarang Nikkam means having left the city. Nagarang means the city. Nikkamma, having left. Pubbakiriya padam. Left. Udakang, water. Udakang, water. Patung, to drink. To drink. So, to drink means it is in infinitive, to infinitive. Patung, and the object of this to infinitive is water. So, udakang in accusative case. Right. Pokkaraniya, kulang, gachi. Gachi means verb, past tense, went. To where? Kulang. The lake, the bank, to the bank, kulang. So it's in accusative case, the place where this little girl went, kulang. Which kulang? Which is this kulang belong to Pokkaraniya, the lake. So bank of the lake, or to the bank, to the lake of bank. So here, so lake, the lake Pokkaraniya, it's in genitive case because this is here it's mentioned possession of this kulang, the bank. The bank belong to the lake, bank of the lake. Karanya Kulang. So Kulang is the place this little girl where this little girl went. The place Kulang, bank. It's in accusative case, and this Kulang bank belong to the lake. So lake Pokkaranya in genitive case. Right. And our next example here, page number 464. 5. Te nayanehi rupani pasitva sukhadukhang vindanti. Having seen the images with the eyes, they experienced happiness and sadness. Here this te mean is a pronoun they. They mean they. Nayanehi, with eyes, with eyes. Rupani pasitva, having seen the image. Rupani mean the images. Pasitva pubbakiriya padam, having seen. Sukha dukkha mean happiness and sadness. Vindanti, experience. So they experienced. They vindanti. What they experience? Sukha dukkha, happiness and sadness. So happiness and sadness in here is the direct object. So it's in accusative case. Sukha dukkha. After doing what? They experience happiness or sadness after doing what? After having seen the image. Rupani pasitva. The images Rupani. It's in accusative case, object of this pasitva, having seen the image. Rupani. Right. Okay. Now let's go to number 22, topic number 22, B. And here declension of noun ending with E or I, neuter. Here again the same rule. Remove the ending vowel I, E from the nominative case, singular noun, to make case ending. Here we take water, vari as example noun, and we remove last E, I, var, I. So here noun base and case ending. Then add suitable endings from the table given below. This is the case ending table. And here in this table, for nominative and vocative case, we have two cases ending for singular, e and ing, e and ing. And for plural, we have two again, e and ini, e and ini. And then accusative case, we have one case ending singular, ing, ing. And then for plural, e and in, e and in. And then here say all other cases are similar to group I, nouns, masculine. So you have to see it again, the masculine nouns, I group nouns, case ending and exercise table. And here some group of I nouns, neuter, and take this one or several of these nouns and go to the masculine gender group I nouns exercise box and to declension. Exercise it. Okay, let's read some nouns here. Here, right? Atti, atti, born, born. Satti, satti, thigh. Dadi, dadi, curd. Vari, vari, water. And akki, akki, eye. Again, achi, achi, eye. And then achi, achi, flame. And then sappi, sappi, ghee or butter. And let's go down, and then we have number 22, subtopic C, capital C. It's a declension of noun ending with u, neuter. Again, same rule. Remove the ending vowel u from the nominative case singular noun to make noun base. Here we take chakku, I as example. And when you remove u, chakku, noun base and case ending. Then add suitable endings from the table below. This is the table. And here nominative and vocative case, it has u and ung as a case ending, u and ung, u and ung. And for singular plural, u and uni, u and uni. And again for accusative case ending is ung, ung. For plural, u and uni, u and uni. And here again says all the other cases are similar to group u or u nouns, masculine. So please go to that table and read it again, and then using that table and exercise table for group u noun masculine, by using this nouns, neuter nouns, u group, please do some declension. Okay, let's read some here u group nouns, neuter. First one, read with me loudly. Chakku, chakku, eye. Danu, danu, bow. Daru, daru, timber or firewood. Madhu, madhu, bee honey. And hingu, hingu, ginger or asafeted, asafeted. Then wattu, wattu, reason or base. Asu, asu, tears. And then ayu, ayu, lifespan or lifetime. Right, now we have example sentences here. But today now we already 1 hour, so let's stop here today, and let's talk about these examples next time. Please do your exercises homework before you come next time. Read those 2 books, reading books and game book again, and let's see next time. Okay, may all beings be happy and ease.